Welcome back to Keep It Runnin'. I'm your host, Derek. Today, we're covering the job every one of you has done 100 times, the oil change. But here's the problem. I've done it 100 times. Is exactly why most guys end up doing it wrong for 100 more. And it doesn't matter if you've got a Powerstroke, a Cummins, or a Duramax under the hood. Let's fix it. The biggest mistake that guys make. Mistake one is just grabbing whatever filter is cheapest and it's on the shelf. A filter is not just a can. What matters is the media that is inside of it, the valves, the housing, and the end caps. Cheap filters cut corners on exactly the parts that you can't see from the outside, and that's how they keep the price down. And it's also how your engine pays for it later. Mistake two is running whatever weight the store had in stock. Your engine calls for a specific spec, and that's for a reason. On these trucks, 15W40 is the proven pick for heat, towing, and heavy loads. 5W40 flows better on cold starts and is the go-to for a lot of the modern Duramax, Powerstroke, and Cummins trucks, especially in cold climates. Well, it's what they had in stock. That's not a spec. Mistake three is piecing the job together. You buy oil from one place and then you buy a filter from another and it crosses over and it's close enough. That's how you end up with the wrong thread, the wrong micron rating, or a fit that's just a little off. On a 6.7 Powerstroke or an L5P Duramax, a little off is all it takes. Here's the part that most guys blow right past. Your oil filter is the only thing standing between clean oil and the soot, carbon, and metal trying to ride through your engine every time it runs. That's our angle at Docks. We don't guess on a filter media. Every oil filter we build is rated 25 microns at 99% efficiency. They're all third-party tested and built to meet or exceed OEM requirements. And that's not just a slogan, that's a lab number. Take the 2020 and newer L5P Duramax. Our filter is a direct replacement for the AC Delco PF63 with the same design, fit, and function, and it comes in our upgraded black housing with a better grip. The same story holds true across the 6.7 Powerstroke and the 6.7 Cummins lineups. Every one is an OEM design with no guesswork. Under the cap, it's a heavy-duty body built to take on oil pressure, a heat-treated steel coil spring, and a pressure relief valve for positive lubrication, and an anti-drain valve so you're never starting dry. And they have a one-piece spiral wound center tube that doesn't collapse under a load. A cheap filter skips 1, 2, or even 3 of these. You won't see it fail, you'll just watch your engine wear out years early. The gasket is an HNBR. It's rated to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, while bargain filters use standard nitrile that starts breaking down around 225 degrees. The media is a 3-stage pleated cartridge with deep pleats. Coarse debris can get caught up in the front. Fine soot and carbon work deeper into the pleat, so you get high capacity without choking the oil flow. An anti-drain valve keeps the filter primed between starts, and a pressure relief valve protects the flow if the element loads up. Cheap filters skip 2 or 3 of these. You won't see it fail on the shelf, you'll just watch your engine wear out ahead of schedule. Now let's kill some myths. Myth 1, every engine needs an oil change every 3,000 miles. That's old advice for old oil. Full synthetic and modern engines run longer, but towing heavy loads, idling, stop and go, extreme heat or cold, that's severe duty, and severe duty resets the clock no matter what the sticker says. Myth 2, if an oil still looks clean, it's fine. Color doesn't tell you the additive package is used up. Clean looking oil can still be worn out oil. Myth 3, run synthetic. Stretch the interval as far as it'll go. Your oil might handle more miles, but your filter media doesn't get the same pass. Once it's loaded up, it starts bypassing, and unfiltered oil is worse than no plan at all. This is exactly why we build our oil change kits. The oil in every Docks diesel kit is API CK4 certified. That is the current heavy-duty diesel engine oil standard. That means that the oil has been tested, registered for modern, high-output diesel engines with the EGR and DPF systems, and it is backward compatible, all the way through the CJ4 and CI4. You're not guessing on certification. You're running a confirmed spec. The kit pairs the oil with the correct filter, pre-match for your specific year, make, and model, the right weight, the right filter, the right thread, and the right micron rating. All in one box, no piecing it together from 2 different stores. Do the job right the first time. Links in the description for the oil kit built for your rig. And that's it for this episode of Keep It Runnin'. See you next time.